Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar and tap on the Not Disturb here. Next you have to select if you want to turn it off by yourself or you want it to be turned off on a specific time period. Next you have to select the mode, like the total silence, alarms only or priority only. You can also access more settings by tapping here on more settings. Here you can set your priority only, like it could be reminders, events, the messages from your contacts, from your shared contacts. The same goes to calls. And you can also set the repeater callers. If the same person calls a second time within the 15-minute period, allow it. Also you have rules here. Rule is the time period when the Do Not Disturb mode will be turned on automatically. And here you can block visual notifications, so they won't pop up on screen when the Do Not Disturb mode is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.